welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, Permission to Dance, the first live performance was actually published by Hybe during the premiere only, like the day the music video premiered, but they've taken it down. I don't know for what reason, but a couple of armies have already posted this on their own channels. So so many of you said that please definitely react to the live performance, and I want to listen to the song live, because of course the audio uses, like the original audio uses auto-tune, which is fine for the audio, but I'm always more excited about the live performances, and I want to see the choreography also. And I'm in love with the song. I don't know how many times now I've listened to it and just done the dancing. So yes, armies, I don't want to delay this any further. Let's react to Permission to Dance performance. So this is like a comeback performance that they have done. Usually what it happens in music shows, right? So this, they have done it on like their own, in their own channel. Alright, let us begin Permission to Dance live performance. Woo! Sorry.
It's the third opinion when your heart's just like a drum, beating louder with no way to guard it.
When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John, to that feeling which
He
is
sounds
getting
amazing!
started.
Please, I can't get over Namjoon. He's too good. Like, I miss that hair. He chopped his hair. I saw the Weavers update. I saw it. Oh, by the way, what do you think? Armies? How is it looking? The two, Afreen, your paintings, thank you so much once again for gifting them to me. Your paintings are up on my wall. Alright.
When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John, to that feeling which is getting started.
Oh my god, look at Jimin. He looks like a prince.
Got you falling behind. Just dream up a damn moment when you look yourself right in the eye, and you say, I wanna dance to music, got me going, nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's take a place and live just like it could, and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, 'cause when it go, we know how to let.
Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk tonight.
'Cause we don't need permission to dance. There's always something that's standing in the way, but if you don't let it
See,
fade.
live is so much better. Live is so much better. I just love their live performances. And I want to first talk about everybody's outfit. I love it. It's still, it's very stylish, but still has a hint of, it doesn't have those danglers, but it still looks cowboyish. It still looks very edgy, cute, smart. Can I just say, Kim Seokjin, just in red. Whoever, Jin stylist, whoever you are, thank you for making him wear that beautiful red shirt. Xiang looks so cute with this. He's chopped off his hair and he has that one earring over there. Oh my god. Okay.
We're dancing fast. We don't need to worry, 'cause when it go, we know how to let.
Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk tonight.
Woo!
'Cause we don't need permission to dance. There's always something
Homie
that's
sounds
standing
amazing.
in the way, but if you don't let it fade, yeah, you know just how to practice, get the right vibe, yeah. 'Cause there's no looking back, there ain't no one to prove.
Live is always better.
It's alright, yeah. Don't really, it's over.
Remember,
The time is not, so let's do it right.
can I just say the ad-libs in the song, you know, especially Jungkook at the end, when the pre-chorus starts at the end, in the original audio, when Jungkook sings the backing vocal, oh my god, Jungkook sounds amazing there.
We'll keep going and stay up until we see the sunrise. And we say, I wanna dance, this music got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's make a plan and leave just like it goes, and rolling like it dancing fools. me show you,
Woo!
and then we can keep the fire
I
alive.
love what Jimin is wearing. Really, the belt is just taking the look to another level. The belt is so beautiful. Oh my god. This is so, I love the live vocals, man. I just love the live. Okay, we'll talk about it after.
Cause it's not over.
This song has suited Taeyang so well.
One more time. Say, I wanna dance to music. Got me going, got me going. Stop how we move. Yeah.
Let's make our plans and live just like a golden and rolling like a
This is at the end. Jungkook in the pre-chorus in this part is just fantastic. I love it. In the audio also, I was waiting to see if he does this in the live also.
Yeah.
Let's make our plans and
The
live
who?
just like a golden and rolling like a dancing fool.
Like a dancing fool. We don't need to worry. 'Cause when we fall, we know how to let it. We know how to let it.
Jungkook!
Just walk, don't walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. No, we don't need permission to dance.
'Cause we don't need permission to dance.
No, we don't need permission to dance. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance.
Oh wow! Yes! I love this song. I've fallen in love with this song. I cannot tell you how many times I've listened to this song. And you know what? Okay, let me stop this first. My hubby, he doesn't listen to K-pop that much. He has only like BTS. He knows the groups, like he knows only BTS and Blackpink. Those are the only two group names he knows. Though he loves do a lot. Like that's probably his most favorite K-pop song, I would say. In BTS, he loves. I think he really loves On. For some reason, On, his favorite video is on Kinetic Manifesto. He loves it. Though he doesn't know the member names, he knows only two names: Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, and that's only because I have those T-shirts in which the names are written. So that's how I know the names. But when he saw this, I made him watch this because I knew that he was gonna like this song, and so I made him watch this. He really loved Taeyang in the video. He's like, I really like this dude. He's very smart, huh? The red guy. So now he knows the third name also, Kim Taeyang. So yeah, that's just little information that I gave you. So that was the live performance of Permission to Dance. I loved it. Their sound, I really wanted personally to listen to this live because I knew the vocalists were gonna nail it, but I wanted to listen to specifically to the rappers, and all three sounded so good. Woo! Yes. Rap line, I love you. Vocal line, I love you. Yes. All the lines, I love you. BTS, I love you. Okay, fine. Too much. So yes, I love the choreography is beautiful. This probably, I used to think that Go-Go is probably their easiest choreography, but now Permission to Dance has the most easy choreography. This is probably the easiest because everybody has permission to dance. So this is something that every one of us can learn. This is very simple. This is the most simple choreography ever, and this is the kind of song, I don't know why I feel very connected to this song somehow, because every time I play this, there's this unbelievable like smile on my face, and it just boosts my energy for some reason. I don't know. I've seen mixed opinions about this song. That's fine. I really like, everybody can have their opinion, but for me personally, this was instant love. I fell hard for the song. I just did not love this song. I loved it very, very, very much. And now looking at the live performance, this was fantastic. This was everything. Everyone sounded great. Everyone sounded amazing. Their outfits, for me, I think Jimin and Jin's outfits were the best. And I really, Jimin's belt was just catching my eye again and again, because the sky blue thing with white and the golden belt, the whole look was just beautiful. And Jimin in black hair, yes, it's everything. And Jin to in red is just killing it. I loved it. And this song, for some reason, in the original audio also, and in this one also, like, I don't know, for some reason the song has suited Taeyang's vocals so much. Wow. And then I was so, like, at the end, like I told you, at the end, like when Jungkook sings the hoo-ha things, and he did it here also, I'm so happy, because that it just makes the song sound so beautiful at the end, with all the backing vocals and all the ad-libs that Jungkook gives. It's fantastic. Oh my goodness. The vocalists have nailed it, and the rappers though have just, मतलब मैं क्या ही बोलूं. I think out of all three sounded amazing, but Hobie's verse, he really, I mean, I have found out that Hobie actually gives a lot of backing vocals in like a lot of their older songs. He has given the backing vocals. So yeah, like, give him vocal verses. I would love to see Hobie sing and rap both. I would love to do that. I would love to see that. And then, my god, everybody looks fantastic. The vibe, again, I'm so happy to see this song. इसका कोरियोग्राफी तो 1-2 घंटे में ही मैं सीख जाऊंगी. Full choreography. It's very easy. It's very easy. So yeah, that was my reaction to Permission to Dance live performance. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you've come till the end of the video. Do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover, and I will see you soon on my next video, guys. Bye bye.